Robyn Swift has joined us once again. She is the VP for Marketing and Development with the Coastal Discovery Museum. You know her.
Hey, Robyn. How are you doing this week?
I'm doing great.
Good.
So we're in transition at the museum with the exhibit. Right. I was just talking about bringing my grandson over this week, and she said, Robyn, it's going to change on Friday. So what is it changing to?
Well, it's really exciting, and I brought you some cards. It's called Volumes of Light. And, you know, we have the Lantern Parade here every year. And Chantel Ritter started it in Atlanta. Right. And so what we're doing, the whole exhibit is going to be her puppets, her lanterns, how she does sketches first and does it all. So that will open on Friday, and we're excited. It'll be up through January. So it'll be the segue into the Lantern Parade, but people can come see how it happens and what it's all about.
And, you know, I've learned a little bit more about the whole Lantern Parade since I've been here in Hilton Head. And it's very unique.
Oh, it is. And, you know, last year was a little different. We couldn't do the beach. This year it's back on at the beach, but it's also going to be at Mitchellville. And we do lantern workshops. We're going to do two. We're going to do November 10th and November 11th, where we have the kits and people can come make a lantern, which is a lot of fun. And then people are making them at home, making them all over the island, which is fun. And it will be at the beach again, which is kind of cool to be walking down the beach to it. Yeah.
And it's really for the whole family. So kids can learn, you know, you have the really fancy ones and then the very simplistic ones.
Well, and the ones that we will be doing will be turtles and then Mitchellville, they have that Mitchellville houses. So it's about the island too. Yeah. It's not just make something. And then she brings in these puppets and, you know, she'll have birds and then they'll have the big long arms and everything. So it's going to be exciting. We're excited about it, and to have her exhibit there, which will be really exciting.
Is that the first time that her exhibit has been at the museum?
Yes.
So real cool.
Yeah.
Very
so
good.
We're excited about that. So we're getting the gallery ready this week. It takes a lot to do it. And to hang things. It's going to be a little different too.
A little different.
But then the lantern making workshops are great, and people can go online to register for those. And we have a kit, and 2 people can work on a kit, so that makes it nice. And you will have a completed lantern for that. So that's one thing that's going on in the gallery. There's a lot going on, and then
the holidays.
The holidays are coming, and the week of Thanksgiving, we always have a holiday market, but this year it's a little different. We're going to do it Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday prior to Thanksgiving, and each day will be a theme. Monday will be sea turtles, Tuesday will be food, and Wednesday will be books and art, so that you can come different days, and maybe you'll come on Monday and there'll be ornaments with turtles. There'll be authors with books about turtles. You can do your Adopt a Nest for 2022 and get your T-shirts and your certificate and give it as a Christmas gift, which is always fun. And then the next day, a lot of great food samplings, and like I say, the last day will be different authors coming in and art and that kind of thing. We just want to spread it out.
And that will be inside
the museum.
Okay.
If it's nice, we might use the terrace some. Who knows? Thanksgiving's my favorite week here because it's wonderful.
I know.
So that'll take place those 3 days before the holidays.
Okay, and then Christmas, in December, anything that we can...
We've got so much going on. The website is loaded with things. We know people have family come in, so we're going to have some of our animal programs taking place during then, some of our indigo tie-dyeing. We will do one at the farmer's market where we'll have different things, and for free you can come tie-dye something, and then the actual class where you sign up and you do a T-shirt and have that. So that's always a lot of fun to do as a family. During the summer, it was real popular. So we'll have that going on as well. But like I say, the animals will be available to be seen, which everybody wants to come see the alligators and see the snakes and all that.
Do you have, on the website, Robyn, does it say specifically if this is a family class or program, or it's just for kids, or just for adults?
It does. Every program that we have that's for children, an adult has to accompany them.
I see.
We can't just have a child in a class alone.
Right.
So an adult has to accompany them. But we, even on our calendars, we put family friendly on which ones are, because some are, and people want to know that. We're going to do one called Cool Critters that's geared to little younger kids. So you've got to reach out to all ages. The challenge with those is there's limited capacity, so people have got to register now. Yeah, that's the big thing. And same with the lanterns. There's limited capacity.
Okay. All right, very good. So again, the new exhibit, the lantern exhibit, will be up this Friday,
Volumes of light, lots of purple.
October 22nd.
Yes. And it's going to be up through January 9th.
Very
So,
cool.
yeah,
Through
it's gonna
January
be- right.
the 9th. And for all the information you need for the Coastal Discovery Museum, go to coastaldiscovery.org.
You got it.
Right.
Perfect.
Robyn Swift, thanks for being
Thank
with us
you.
one more time, and we'll see you next month.
You got it. Christmas.
And thank you all for joining us for Talk of the Town. We loved having you, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.